wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best collapsible laundry baskets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the word laundry is printed in jumbo letters down the side of the dokehom bin, so you'll never forget the purpose of this handy receptacle. You can choose from 6 bright colors to match the existing decorations in your home or dorm room. The interior is resistant to moisture and is just 2 inches tall when collapsed. However, the handles are not very durable. At number 9, the household pop-up is built with a solid polyester base, so even though it's lightweight, it will remain stable as the dirty clothes pile up within. It's a good choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who toss in their laundry on the go. It's a breathable mesh design with a 16-inch diameter opening, but the wire around the top is not long-lasting. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Made with heavy-duty plastic, the proper organizer offers the sturdiness of a standard hamper and extra versatility in its ability to fold. It's a nifty space saver, as you can simply slide it under your bed when you don't require its services. It's equipped with many ventilation holes and easy-to-grip handles. However, it doesn't collapse very smoothly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for collapsible laundry baskets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the decorative pattern on the exterior of the D2 basket is understated and pleasant, and since it's available in an array of colors, you can select a model that really suits your style. It weighs only 1 pound, so there's very little burden when carrying it. It comes with a robust rope handle and is available in multiple size options, but it can be difficult to keep upright. Moving up our list to number 6. A nice alternative to the heavy, bulky plastic units, the bajer folder has a strong, flexible frame that keeps clothing secure. Its side handles are well placed and make carrying it from the laundry room to the bedroom a simple task. It has a resilient nylon body that's 19 inches wide. However, it's tough to maneuver through doorways. Halfway up our list at number 5. A busy parent has lunches to make, kids to drive around, and other tasks to handle, which significantly limits time for laundry. The vremi hamper is capable of holding 4 full loads, which could make your life a bit less hectic. It's made with strong silicone handles from BPA-free plastic, but collapsing it takes some time. At number 4, the wishpool bin is more than 16 inches tall with a wide base, which creates enough room for accumulating an ample amount of laundry before it's time to fill up the washing machine. Its linen body is soft and durable, and it folds up in no time at all. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and an attractive bamboo rim. It's able to withstand daily use. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Rubbermaid hamper isn't fancy, but this is laundry we're talking about, right? This square bin is sturdy, fits easily into a closet, and features built-in handles for reliable portability. It's also breathable enough to resist any foul odors. It's a quality, affordable option, built with easy-to-clean canvas. The design is simple and minimalist. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for collapsible laundry baskets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, equally effective for laundry storage as it is for transporting clothing and other items, the cleavermade caddy is versatile, compact, and eye-catching. Its steel rim helps it maintain its shape, and its 2 handles are balanced and durable. There are 8 colors to choose from, each with a load capacity of 55 pounds. It's easy to carry with one hand. And taking the top spot on our list, the songmics double can accommodate 4 loads of laundry without a problem, with 2 soft cotton handles that are easy on your hands. It's designed with a grey linen material that's flexible, breathable, and aesthetically pleasing. It features 2 sections for separating clothes, a detachable lid, and a washable interior liner. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for collapsible laundry baskets, or simply click beneath this video.